Good afternoon, it's Saturday the 5th of October and I'm back down at the Belfast Harbour Marina. It's coming up to 4:30, it's quite windy, so I'm standing out of the wind here. These are the new offices and apartments being built. How they got planning permission is beyond me. They're just stuck in stopping your view of Belfast Titanic experience. But I'm just a pawn in the game. And I'm down videoing the boats, the yachts, the cabin cruisers, or the catamarans, or whatever else. And just behind me is the home of Belfast Giants Ice hockey team, and I saw a number of people with ice hockey shirts on going past me. Wouldn't be my favourite game, it's too fast and furious, and I've been to a few games and I can't even see the puck. The ball, or whatever they want to call it. It's moving so fast. But anyway, seeing what boats are in harbour. I'll just come along here. Maybe they'll be all the same. I don't know. The weather's reasonable. Very windy. It's quite mild for this time of year. We're into October. That's the Odyssey, where the ice hockey takes place, and that's W5, where you bring your kids for all sorts of scientific experiments going on, and Lego and all sorts in there. And this is Nebraska. Don't think she's come all the way from Nebraska though. What's that say? It says Elan. I wonder where Elan is. It's quite a sizable yacht. And this is the Seasplash. Looks brand new. It's a Redbay Storm Force 1150, and this is made up at Cushendun, or very sturdy vessel. And this is a vessel I always wanted to video up close, and here it is. This is the Artemis. This is an electric boat, and whenever it gets going, it's supposed to sit up above the water, which is quite remarkable. And this is developed by Artemis Technologies. And what's it called? If I can see. Is it Seahorse Rebel? No, Seahorse Belfast. And I thought this vessel was going to be doing or maybe the bigger version of it was going to be doing trips, sort of like a taxi service from Bangor or Hollywood to Belfast every morning, but it doesn't appear to have got going yet. There's a bigger version, and all run by electric, you know, saving the planet and all that stuff. So I'm up close and personal with it. Oh, a plane going off. A super looking machine. This is the R place, and I've videoed this vessel before many times, sitting in Belfast Harbour Marina. Probably videoed this one as well. So this Victoria Channel we're looking out on. And that's the, oh, I can't remember. So you stand in the middle of that and you make sounds with these pipes above you, depending on where you stand. That's what the racket is. This is a Princess 415. And we'll see where it's come from. In a minute. It's from Bangor. It's the morning gift. It's fresh in from Bangor. Up the road. There you have it. All the action down at Belfast Harbour Marina.
Yes.
And this is Sean all the way from
Glasgow.
Glasgow. Are you here for
The Wolfe Tones.
For the what?
The Wolfe Tones. The Wolfe Tones.
The Wolfe Tones.
Yes. The Wolfe Tones tomorrow night.
Yeah, why don't you speak proper English, boy?
Proper English tones. Don't say proper English tones.
Yeah. And that was John talking to me from Glasgow. He's away to see the Wolfe Tones tonight. Oh boy, so when they're on in the SSE Arena apparently. I called it the Odyssey, which is its old name. I love it whenever something like that happens. So this is me winding my way back to the old bike, which is parked away up here.